Hello everyone, this is a quick instructional video on how to use transparency templates in Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to download your template with the transparencies, and I'm just going to use these ones here, the ones I just created. I'm going to put up on Etsy in a few days. But once you got yours, all you have to do is go to canva.com, and right here, this is their front page. You go to Design Spotlight and choose Photo Editor. And then once you get here, all you have to do is drag and drop the template that you want to use onto the screen. So I'm just going to click onto this one and drag and drop. Okay, and once it's loaded, you want to upload your second image that you want to use, that you want to put inside this frame here. So to do that, you go to Uploads, and you just drag and drop your second image into there. I got this image from Shutterstock, but you can use whichever stock photo website that you want to use to find a picture that would best suit your novel, best suit your narrative. So I'm just going to click on the picture and then drag and drop. Okay, once it's uploaded, you just have to click on it once, and then it drops it on top of the template that you're using. But what you want to do is to move this image behind the template so it only shows up through the window. So to do that is really easy. You just right click on the image, go to layer, and then go to send backward, and now it's behind the template. And you can resize your image by dragging the corners and then reposition it to however you want it. And there you go. And what you probably want to do is to add your book title onto it. So you go to text, go to add a heading, and I'm just going to put your title. And then you will want to choose a color. I'm going to just choose white, choose a font, just going to choose this one real quick, and then resize it as well. Fix the line spacing, and then position it to how you like it. And there you go, all done. But what you probably want to do is also add in your author name and your subtitle if you have one. And once you get it to how you like it, you just go to download, and you can download it as a PNG or a JPEG and download it to your computer, and it will be ready to upload to Amazon KDP or basically any other book selling website you choose to use. And that's it, simple, all done. Thank you for watching.